All right, gang, we're here. We got the stinking Lincoln drift car. Asses up, faces down. We got the diff cover off. Down here, Shelby's got the exhaust off.
Yep.
That thing was pretty heavy.
We also have a surprise there. I know we talked about getting some wheels. It's a really hard car to find wheels for. We managed to find some American Racing 5 stars. And yeah, I'm over here polishing them right now. And yeah, they should turn out really, really nice when I'm done with them. Look at that.
Oh yeah. They have no damage on the wheels.
No, dude, we scored these. Look at how clean they're turning out too.
And we got the Cobra stickers on there.
And we got the Cobras on there. You know we gotta have the Cobras.
Cobra Lincoln.
He's also got some more Cobra decals going on it.
We do not want to keep these wheels, so you're gonna have both sets.
Yeah. Unless you don't want them, then we'll scrap them. But
yeah.
Somebody will probably want to make them some drift wheels.
I mean, they're not curved or anything.
No, they're meant to. They should be painted some other color.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that. I ain't even totally done yet. They already cleaning up a ton.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
That's gonna be nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
My sister number 4 prostitute.
Okay, I don't know if we can say that.
Kazakhstan.
All right, guys, and we got interior. We got the windows working. Everything's coming together, guys. So I'm going to start TIG welding the spider gears or the diff together. That way we have full traction. Both wheels will spin. Then lastly, what we would have to do is
Show the interior.
Oh, not yet.
We also got you.
Oh yeah, we
guys
should.
that.
Yeah, these. Yeah, we showed them that.
We ain't showed them.
Well, I showed them it. All right, guys. So, yeah, it's coming together pretty quickly.
Yeah.
We just hit 500 subscribers.
500. You know what that means?
It's done.
No more entries for the Lincoln.
Yeah, and we will have future giveaways.
Oh,
totally
no.
free giveaways.
Oh no.
We're thinking what? Second place?
Damn it.
Oh yeah. Not the chamois.
Dude, all my rags. Dang. So we're thinking about adding maybe like a second and third place in there. It's not gonna be obviously anything like a car, but maybe a cool giveaway. I don't know yet. Maybe some tools or something. Maybe.
We're doing it old school. We're gonna have a little tumbler and we're gonna put everybody's names in it.
Yeah.
That's gone public.
Also, we're gonna open up a Facebook account or some type of account so that you guys, since y'all don't want to make your accounts public, as of right now, there's only like 60 something of y'all that's got public accounts.
It's a lot more now.
And it is?
Yeah.
Well, that's all we can see at the moment. So, in order for you to be able to win this, you got to show us who the heck you are. So, I'm thinking we open an account. Maybe you guys send us a screenshot that you're a subscriber, and we'll go from there. You know what I'm saying?
Yepers.
Alright,
guys. Got the gears welded to the case around them.
Let me just tell you, people, we have done a lot of the hard stuff for you guys. When we're done with the transmission and all, show them the wheels on the back. See if they like the wheels on the back.
Yeah, I showed them.
Now listen, we would love to have a better looking wheel. There just are no options for this car, hardly.
Yeah.
If you win it and you want to put some custom wheels on it, I'm with you, I get it. But you get 2 sets of wheels and tires for drifting or doing whatever you want. I really like the American Racing wheels.
Yeah, they're actually a name brand wheel.
Yeah, they're not crappy. I put those stickers on there. The guy we got it from was really stoked on those, so I put them on there.
Yep.
Shout out to Stubbs. That's how you do it.
Success. Much success. Oh,
Don't do that. I don't suggest it. We need to
All
run.
right, guys.
We need to run to O'Reilly's.
Yep.
Oh, Stinkleys. We need to go up there and get some diff fluid.
We looked it up. It takes about 3 quarts.
A pint's about a quart, right? Just shy of a quart.
Yeah.
A pint's like, yeah,
Just
I don't think it's gonna hold.
I think you're right, like 2.6.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna hold. If that's what it is, then we'll just buy 2 and we'll put that half of that bottle I got in. That should be plenty. Yeah. Do we need some limited slip additive? All I'm hoping is we don't break an axle. And if we break one, let it be on the passenger side.
I don't think it's got enough power to break them.
You don't think so?
So, Stinkley's is closed 3 minutes early.
Yeah, they ran me out. Even though they love me, they don't like me right now. So.
AutoZone is closed.
Napa, we know they're closed. I don't even think Napa wants to be open anymore.
This mother scutcher wants me to go to Poverty Town.
Well,
Walmart on 103rd.
Sina's over here like, you think Walgreens or CVS got some 75/90? No, they don't.
I'm so pissed.
You think McDonald's will sell us some dip fluid?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I freaking hate going in here too, dude.
Some of you guys don't know. Well, I guess most of you would know, because most of you are local. But yeah, 103rd. Why do people live on 103rd? It's crazy.
Why are you hating?
I just hate the 103rd.
Dude, I think I ate like 5 pounds of that mother's polish. It is all in my nose. Gosh. We got that good. It's that Super Tech. You know, they say Super Tech oil is actually compatible with Mobil 1. I shoot you.
Oh yeah, I've seen it. I used to fill like break-in oil. I used to use a Super Tech full synthetic to flush everything out.
I use the old cheapo Stinkley. I'm pretty upset they just shut down in our face 3 minutes early.
Yeah.
I'm second guessing going back. I'm gonna call corporate on.
Looking mint.
Dude, it looks so sick.
Yeah.
Especially from the back, it really does look badass.
We got a replacement mirror. It's white now, but we're gonna repaint it, the whole car. So yeah, these wheels look awesome.
We're either gonna do the whole car in a white like my truck or a solid black.
Oh yeah, we got the door panels are in.
I honestly think white would look really good with the chrome wheels and the gray interior now.
Yeah.
Look at that. Power windows work like a champ. Everything actually locks down. I need to put this pigtail on there because that one pulled out. It's a little cruddy.
Yeah, but the windows work now.
Yeah. Lock and unlock's working.
Yeah.
Look at that, dude.
Lights.
What? We got
plenty more. We got new seats.
look at the interior in the back. Tell me that's not an upgrade, dude.
Yeah. It's looking
How
mint.
beautiful.
So Shelby's got the key. We're gonna hear the exhaust. What it sounds
I would
like.
go beat on it, but the seats look slightly bolted in.
It's definitely louder.
Sounds good.
It definitely works. That's a pretty good donut right there. This is a small street too. Epic. Look how tight that turn was.
Yeah.
I was telling them that this street is not big.
No, this thing's small. Dude, that was pretty good. I barely cookie cuttered on the grass right here. Yeah. That was pretty slick. Look at how nasty it got leaving too.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh my God.
Both tires just roasting.
Fucking sick. That thing rips, dude.
It still feels like there's a misfire, or I'm hearing it.
It's 8-cylinder 8. It says there's a miss.
Okay,
we did a plug. I think we need to change a plug wire on it.
And a coil pack, because they're
potentially
got some cheap. We need to get some Motorcraft ones.
You ought to walk down here real quick. Look at this, dude. I killed this.
Yeah, it was still spinning right here, and came out.
Oh my goodness! Look at how saucy it got.
Yeah.
Dude, you couldn't have got any closer to sliding in the grass than that. It's like, it's literally like I weed eated the grass over there. Wow.
Awesome.
Dude, if someone calls the cops, there is no denying it. Look, only person with hot rods. Okay, I'm gonna let them decide, okay?
They're getting both.
Oh, they're getting both sets of wheels. I don't want those other ones at all. Can drive the crap out of it.
While we're working on it, we're talking shit.
Oh, I hate working on anything. I love beating on it.
Well,
how saucy is a naturally aspirated motor, too? No hesitation, nothing, just torquey, you know? We didn't even show them the new tail lights. We put them new tail lights on there.
Oh, yeah.
We got some stuff. We're working on it.
Paint's coming next. Transmission's coming next.
Paint and transmission are next on the list after the interior's done.
Yes, we're going to do the ripstick.
And then we got a couple of electrical issues. Probably going to have to put a window motor in that thing. We should have snagged one from Rick.
Yeah. And man, we're already over 500 now. By the time this video drops, maybe 530, 540, 550.
Yeah.
But awesome, guys. Awesome.
Later,
you guys get to take this home.
Yeah, one of y'all gets this. Y'all get to take this baby with you.
Yep. We are going to take a road trip with it.
We are going to do a road trip?
Yeah, before we give it away. Yeah. But we're trying to make sure it has AC and everything too.
Yeah, that is a must. Well, then I need to go get the title transferred. So when you get it, it'll be in my name. I'll have to transfer it in your name.
Yeah. We'll put it in a business name too. If we want to. Put it in.
Yeah, we could do that. That would be cool. It's more money.
Donation.
Okay, let's clean all this crap up. We're signing out.
Peace, guys.
Later, y'all.
Keep it rough.
Keep it salty.